Come to this side. Come to this side, Maji. Right, sir.
What you feel about balloon bus that roll?
Kaya one chef?
Exactly. Every woman loves chef, right, ladies?
Me, I give him a 6. And I like him again.
6 out of 10?
Yeah.
Sure, right, man. Make sure stay the 6. Me know if you turn the 6 in a 9. You see me turn her back way, the 6 turn 9 in a roll, you see me? So me love her see me. Look how she got blush. Me turn her back with the 6 turn 9.
What are you saying? What is he saying?
So how me look? I not look appropriate.
No, I look like a churcher that bring me go. I'm
So
not going to
oh,
church.
like the scabby corner boy style like.
No, I'm
batty
not
down
talk
your
to
son.
boy dress
Oh,
so.
me not look decent and casual.
Not
like a
for
date
me,
I'm
not
about
for
to.
me. Next, please.
Novo Pandora.
It's a ballon! Banana chip! Yo, I didn't expect the balloon to find love females, you ready? Yo, I love the energy. Oh my gosh, I'm here. Big up Live Boss for the visual people. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe below. Females, it's simple, okay? When a male walk out and you don't like him, you pop your balloon, okay? Okay? All right, and if you like him, you hold on to the balloon like your life depends on it, okay? All right? Yo, watch you now. My ears of Portland need love. You see it? Portland people, I'm coming over there. You know, me here say Portland people corrupt and them ungrateful, but I feel like we need to give them a chance. You see it? So we are going over Portland for the next episode and think. What to say? yo, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the below. Cause they not like all the time chips. Wait then. Please like the video. Now wait. Thank you. Alright, so watch on the people. I want an early hug because it's like I just need the support. You know why I not upload last week. You know I'm telling you, but you just not remember, you know. I need a hug. You see it? Thank you so much. Somebody send me a video with them baby I hug the TV and yo, every night, yo, big up you. You see me? Females, are you ready? Yeah! Alright, we're gonna send in the first mail, alright? Alright, let's go. Come to this side. Come to this side, Majid. Right, sir. Alright, introduce yourself.
Alright.
Come on, he might introduce himself.
My name Flames
Flames.
on IG. Dark Flames _ TNG.
Alright, what type of work do you do? Flames?
No say construction, shadman, plaster work, painting, showing land.
Okay. Alright, hard work and them thing there.
Skill.
Alright, and when it comes on to a female though, what's your type?
Alright. Type.
Yeah.
To be honest, I'm not gonna say I have a type still, but
Yeah.
from them short and thick.
Short and thick.
Yeah.
Them have a short and thick.
Yeah. If them dey on my head, them can go and see me, you see me?
Okay. Oh, alright then. And what's like an ideal first date for you? Or you don't like bring a girl?
Alright. You know, so I don't normally bring girl on date, but
Yeah.
I always want to bring them for Eva movie, you see it?
You like movies and them thing there?
Yeah, so I bring them for a movie date, you see it?
Alright then. Alright, my G. Shout out back your social again.
You don't know. Dark Flames _ TNG, all platform.
Alright, so got some pop. We're gonna find out why them pop the balloon. We're gonna start with that side, yeah?
Yeah, man.
What is it? Alright. Your name, social, and why you pop your balloon?
My name is Melanin. My social is _melanin_chocolate. That's for Instagram. And TikTok, it's Melanin Queen 317. So what you mean by when him ask you, say, if you carry girl on date, you can say, you know, normally carry girl on date.
Cause me no really normally do them thing. You get what me I say?
But sometimes you have to try different things.
Yeah, but you don't know open for opportunity. Any opportunity come.
Well, I really don't judge based off looks or anything like that, but I don't know pop balloon still.
You like date and them thing.
Yeah.
No problem.
Alright, so based upon him appearance, so how much you da rate him from 1 to 10?
7.
7 out of 10?
Yeah.
Is he your type though?
No.
No.
Yeah.
Alright. What do you think about her based on her appearance, Maji?
John no still. Alright. How much will I give her?
No, what do you think about her appearance and how much you da rate her from 1 to 10?
Appearance up man. You
Yeah.
see it. See Polo. Him old Polo and the Puma.
Yeah.
So Adidas. You don't know.
Pink.
Oh, pink.
Yeah.
Sorry about that. Yeah, man, you can go on.
How much you da rate her from 1 to 10?
Me give her 7.
7 out of 10?
Yeah.
Alright then. Come down to this side. Your name, social, why you pop your balloon?
Cheating on TikTok, Jaja's mom. Why am I pop my balloon? One, you're not my type, you're short. That's one.
Yeah, man.
Two, I don't have a problem with bleaching, but that's cool. And then you're
With what?
bleaching. Then you're going to say you don't take females on dates. Sorry, I'm a date type of girl.
Oh, you're a date girl.
Yes.
Oh, you're a date girly.
Yes.
Sorry about that.
That's fine.
Oh, so you're basically a man have to take you on date.
Yes.
Alright. And you say something about bleaching? Why you saying bleach?
Yes, okay.
No, man, burp, man.
Oh, okay. Oh, sorry. I'm sorry. Sorry.
But you're not bleach.
Naturally, bro, no, you don't
Okay.
know, touch it, look at it.
Okay, all right. That's okay.
Touch what?
Easy, no, man.
Okay. Alright. How much you da rate him from 1 to 10 though?
You look all right. Probably give myself
7 out of 10?
Yeah.
Is he your type though?
No.
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 What do you think about her based on her appearance though?
Drop still, you see, she thick. Like that still, you see, but
Yeah.
don't know. Kind of look tired, still.
You know, like the eye thing.
Yeah, yeah, the eye thing, you know.
Yeah.
Although nothing wrong, still can make eye contact, see me, you see it.
Yeah.
See me.
How much you da rate her from 1 to 10 though?
Like girl, they want to make you feel away, but like girl, about the same circle still.
7 out of 10?
Yeah.
Alright then. Cool.
Mm-hmm.
Come down to this side. Your name, social, why you pop your balloon?
One drizzle on TikTok. Why I pop my balloon? You are short, and I like my guys a little bit over me. No disrespect. And to top it off again, you know, carry people go on date. I'm a romantic person, so my love roses like wow, so not my type.
Or like the roses on the floor?
Yeah.
And what do you think about him appearance though?
He's cool. I give him a 7.
7 out of 10?
Mm-hmm.
Is he your type though?
No.
What do you think about her? What she have to say too?
What she have to say, that's what she have to say, you see it.
Mm-hmm.
Understand what she have to say, you see me I say? But still, I read that man, 2 hours another type, you see it.
Oh, 2 and no. Oh.
Yeah.
How much you da rate her though?
I give her a 5.
5 out of 10?
Yeah.
Is she a type?
Uh-uh.
Is not somebody you'd go for?
Not really still, but still not my type, you see me?
Okay. Cool.
Cool.
Alright, come down to this side. Your name, social, why you pop your balloon?
Okay, so my name is Wata Tam Tam. That's WHATATAMTAM. The reason for me popping the balloons because you said that you don't like going on dates. A lot of us here, we love to be, you know, a little romantic vibes is really a blessing, you know, refreshing. And in terms of your appearance, I think you're very slim and neat. And I like how confident you sound. I would give you like about a 7.3.
7.3?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright, is he your type though?
because him don't carry people on dates, I have to say no. But
Oh.
other than that, him seem cool.
Yeah.
Yeah, him seem cool.
Wait, before anything else, I'm answer a question. The reason why I don't really say, oh, I carry, I say, do it, you know.
Oh.
But is that, sir, no, I'm say no. I don't really book up on the girl to say, oh, I bring up on a date.
Alright.
You see?
Okay.
Or you meet a girl there or ready for bring her up on a date?
Yeah.
Oh,
You see what
okay.
I make the vibes buck, you know?
Yeah.
I
Because me as a youth, I like a river and all of them things there, so.
Oh.
And I know if I bring a girl on a date. You see me?
Okay.
But me is not a date person, if you understand me, I say. But I
Yeah.
will do it, you know, if you want it done, we do it. And if I see say it for done, me can do it. You see?
Okay. Well, I like that.
Yeah.
I like that.
All right. Waiting about her based on her appearance.
You know, say she up still an empress, you see me? They don't know if we give Father God thanks for that, you see me? Because you don't know the thing go.
How much did I rate her?
The rate her, or me I give her a 8 still, you know.
8 out of 10?
Yeah, man, 8, man.
And
You see?
is she a type though?
Well, she look like a nice girl, you see. But definitely bring on a date.
Oh.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah, cause I like how she talk, man. She smooth, you know.
Yeah, so she'd have be the first girl you bring on a date.
First girl bring on a date, should have been the lucky one.
Oh,
Oh my God. I don't know. I kind of almost regret popping the balloon.
Yeah. You almost regret her.
Almost regret.
So you want back a balloon?
I can't take it back.
That's how you
Okay.
go, man.
Okay. All right then.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Yeah, man.
All right, come to this side. Your name, social, why you pop your balloon?
TK Million 4, TK Million 10 on TikTok, TK Million 10 on Instagram. I'm up the balloon. Not my type. Him look like him smoke, him bleach, and him pants the weird on here, so. Not my type of dressing.
Him pants no, him same pants no there down there.
That's my type. Okay.
Baggy.
But you bleach and so man.
You bleach or you just touch it a little, you say?
Bleach. If they want some bleach, you see, but me is a natural brown you to get me, I say.
I'm just not my type.
All right, how much did I rate him from 1 to 10 though?
7.
7 out of 10?
Yes.
And you say he's not your type?
Not my type.
All right, suppose you meet up in a situation outside and him assist you and help you.
Still over there with him. I'm still over there with him, yeah.
All right. My G, how much did I rate her from 1 to 10 though?
No, rate her from 1 to 10. She look the other way like she afraid. To be honest, me give her the 8.
8 out of 10?
Yeah, cause she kind of remind me of my sister.
Okay.
Sister?
Yeah, not my sister.
Okay.
But my sister.
Okay.
Yeah, she kind of favor her.
And we like about her why you give her 8?
Well, fit still. You see, she come out straight.
Yeah.
Arrow.
Yeah.
Code.
Just for dates.
That is it.
Alright. Oh my so much. Alright, so everybody pop them balloon. Was it a match to them IG? You know what you have to do?
Walk with grace.
Walk with grace, my G.
Bless. Code.
Banana chip. Alright, watch you know. Last week we did forget Linstead. And the Linstead people them just, them a voting thing. So I don't know. Them just did occupy and them thing there, you see it? But now I want to go Portland. I still forgot back at Linstead. Watch you know, Ochi people now for link me back. Kingston people link back. I don't know about Mandeville. I'm not sure if I want to go back to Mandeville. But I'm not going back to Maypen, okay? They'll bring it back. Alright? So anybody from different parish, link me, alright? Females, are you ready? Alright, let's bring in the next male. Let's go. So female, just look forward. Come to this side. My G.
Night.
Introduce yourself.
131 all social.
Him name? Whoa. Alright, my G. What type of work do you do? Well, yeah, the mic. What
I
kind
do
of work do you do?
trading and music as well.
Oh, you do trading and
modern
music.
chop artist.
Who?
Modern chop music me sing.
Oh, modern chop.
Yeah, it's a new style.
Oh, name what?
Modern chop, new style. So I like mixture, dancehall, Afro. You see me?
Okay, so you're an artist and you
Yeah.
do trading.
Yeah, as well.
All right, so when it comes down to a female though, what's your type though?
To be honest, I like personality, more go off at personality. So I like kind-hearted, you know,
Yeah.
sweet, gentle,
Yeah.
etc.
Mm-hmm. All right, and what's like a red flag when I like?
Personally, I feel like everybody not like stinking mouth people and people who smell bad. So I gotta cross that off about. You see me? You have to smell good. You know me? I say that's
Yeah.
the right way.
Hygiene.
Yeah, you see me? Yeah, and bad mind. I don't like the bad man and the bagger. You know?
Bad what?
Bad man females. You know?
Bad mind female?
Yeah, right. I want to see her rise.
Oh, so you have a
Bring
girlfriend
down.
and if you
I like, as I tell you, I like sweet, kind, you know?
Oh, so you know what? They with a girl and she bad mind.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. And what's like an ideal first date where you bring a girl on?
Well, to be honest, you have to know what a female like.
Yeah.
Is it? So
True.
if she like beach, you don't know, say, you have to bring her up on the beach, or if she like river. You don't know?
Oh, so you got
Yeah,
ask.
Yeah, you see it?
Okay.
Yeah,
All
you
right.
have to say first.
All right. Shout out back in social again.
Yeah, one tactics on all social media platform.
All right. So we got some pops. We're going to find out why them pop the ball in,
Sure.
all right?
Yeah,
All right.
yeah.
I'll start with right here, so. Jeez. My G, we'll start with right here, so. Life. Your name, why you pop your balloon?
TK Million 10 on TikTok, TK Million 10 on Instagram. I don't like him when I like brown man. Him slim, I like thick body man. Thick body man, no.
Oh, so you not like him complexion and him.
Slim build. I like thick body man.
All right. And that's the reason why you pop your balloon?
Yes.
All right. So based on him appearance though, how much you rate him from 1 to 10?
5.
5 out of 10?
Yeah.
Why 5?
Him just like, where did I come from?
Yeah, actually.
Enough to come from
Bring me God date.
So how I look appropriate.
No, I look like a church that bring me go. I'm
So
not God
oh,
church.
like the scabby kind of boy style. Like,
No,
batch
I'm
it down
not
your
talk to
son.
boy dress
Oh,
so.
I look decent and casual.
Not
like a
for
date
me,
I'm
not
about
for
to.
me. Next, please.
Cool.
And you say you rate him a 5.
Yeah,
And he's not your type?
not my type.
All right. My G, based on her appearance though, how much you rate her from 1 to 10?
She cool still, she give her honest opinion. You see me? She not look bad in her face. She should be honest. But I give her I give her a 7. She deserve a 7.
She deserve
Try. Yeah, she deserve a 7.
All right. Good.
All right.
Yeah. Go on this side.
Yeah.
All right, so. Your name, why you pop your balloon?
Drizzable.
Yeah.
You're just not my type, to be honest. You're an artist, and artists don't spend time with them woman. I don't know. I'm not
Judgmental.
come for nobody. I'm just saying. Right? I like my guys romantic, and you're not the type that I'm looking for. So address that. You're just
How you
not my type.
manage it? For ear seminar. What come to your mind? Make a seminar romantic.
Based on your type and these modern men, they don't know romance, them don't know love, so
So
I'm
you
just
judge me
judge.
wrongfully. Cool.
I just have to talk about what I see. That's
Oh.
my honesty.
So basically, you judge him from how him look, say him not romantic.
Me can't tell them in a role, me see them and me know when them wrong.
Wrong.
Right.
Oh, so him wrong.
It may wrong to my brain right now.
And how much you rate him from 1 to 10?
Him cool still, like give him a 8, but still not my type.
What do you think about her based on her appearance, my G? And what she have to say?
She judge people wrongfully, as I tell her. So I not rate that still, but she cool. I like her look on necklace. I thought she come out. She try her best. I don't know if her best this, but she try still. She claims she try. Man. Yeah, no. Nah, go judge.
And you say you rate her how much? 8?
8, yeah.
8. All right, then. Is she a type though?
Wait. I give her 7 too. 7. Yeah, she deserve a 7. Look on her really. Deserve a 7.
All right, then. Go down to this side. Your name? Why you pop your balloon?
Chin on TikTok, Jaja's mom. Why I pop my balloon is one, you don't dress like you're going on a date. Reason why?
Yeah.
Normally, if you're going on a date, you wouldn't wear like a long, like white tees, like black and white, like we're going funeral. You actually wear colors.
Colors.
Yes, like bright colors. That's one. Two, you're slim and you're not like taller than me. Yeah.
Wow.
Oh, so when you're going on a date, you wear colors.
Bright colors.
Why? Why you wear bright colors?
Because it look more romantic and more cute.
Oh, it's not like if you now walk somebody, I got see when I forget lit down.
No. Alright, the black and white to me, on my honesty, the black and white look like regular funeral. Or regular evening class together.
Same look like him a come from or go?
I can come from.
Or come from even class.
Yeah.
Evening class?
Sorry, no disrespect, but that's how it looks. I'm so sorry. No disrespect.
Yeah, man. At least
No
me I
disrespect.
go come better this next time.
Alright,
Just
that's better.
warm up, you know?
Alright, there.
And you give him how much out of 10?
The shoes kind of go with the feet. You could kind of put on the bag before you come up here, but you look alright. I'll probably give you a 9.
9 out of 10?
Yeah,
As a school youth.
as a school youth.
What do you think about her based on
You
her
know, to
appearance?
be honest, really, she sound like a good person. She talk intelligent, I'm like that. You see me? She talk like she have sense. When I say them not talk like them have sense. She talk, me like how she speak. You know what I mean? Yeah.
Oh, so basically you say she's your type?
Nah, but I like how she speaks. She sound intelligent. I'm like intelligent people. You see
Oh,
me?
you mostly go off of the brain.
Personality as well too.
Okay.
Yeah.
How much did I rate her from 1 to 10?
She deserve one. I give her 8.5. She
8.5?
deserve yeah. Yeah. She look nice and she natural, something like that.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Alright, come down to the side. Your name, why you pop your balloon?
Hi, I'm Melanin Queen 317 on TikTok, Melanin Chocolate on Instagram. So to be honest, on him walking in, him a go for a rock star, bad boy, artist as him say, but don't see that image in a long time from him a come in, and it's just not fitting my aura. So that's some popping balloon.
Like low key.
Yeah,
But I'm
and too much
actually-
excitement to go on with your fit. No, it look good because me da get a 10 because you go for a rock star look. But something that strikes me bad. So yeah, I'm pop the balloon.
Strike you bad like what?
The vibe, boy, man, and the energy.
Oh, him strike you like him energy now match with you?
Yeah, and as I must say, I like quiet things.
Oh, you like a quiet youth.
Yeah, I'm coming too loud.
So this loud how him dress?
As I must say, the shirt out of the pants, the white shirt, the chain on the neck, the glasses, just bring it off. The white lace, him Louis shoes and him backpack on him back. Yeah.
Alright. Based on your perspective, where that change?
I would have removed the glasses. I would have tucked in the shirts. Probably wear one different shoes.
Good thing I can't.
Yeah, but nothing else. Alright. And then him never really need the chain either because nothing is wrong with him.
Without.
Yeah, but I don't know why I hide him face too. So, see? Why the glasses? I'm asking a question.
No,
Glasses are why the glasses?
Yeah.
Because of just my style, is it?
Alright then.
Yeah.
You rather him without the glasses?
Yeah.
Alright, how much did I rate him out of 10 without the glasses?
9.
With the glasses?
8.5.
Just a 5 difference.
Respect.
Alright.
Respect.
My G, what do you think about her and what she have to say?
She cool. She cool, really. Like, I could foot them. You know what I'm saying, but she normal still. But I rate her though.
Yeah, how much did I rate her from 1 to 10?
How much should I rate yourself? To be honest, talk to me. Yeah, oh, you come out now, car.
10.
Like,
10. Why would I rate myself a 10?
true that still. But I say the same thing.
How much you would have rate her out of 10?
Yeah, a 5 still. She try. You know if she try?
That's your opinion, though. I'm not upset about it.
Yeah.
All right, my G, come down to the side. All right, so female without a balloon, walk with grace for me, please. All right, come to this side, my G. All right, so we have a female right here with a balloon. So what you're gonna do right now? You're gonna ask a question.
Yeah.
We're gonna see if you guys can get to know each other. Okay?
Yeah.
All right. So what's your name first?
What a tam tam. That's WHATATAM. Vibes but queen, you know?
Yeah.
For life.
Cool.
All right, my G. You can go
Yeah,
ahead and ask her a question.
You look clean, man.
You
Ask her a
can.
question.
Yeah, sure.
How old are you?
Well, I'm actually spiritually 25.
Spiritually 25. Jano. Say how physically much?
Physically, I'm past that. I can't tell, but I'm past.
Well, you have youth? Jano. Can pop my balloon?
Huh?
Can pop my balloon?
You not have no balloon.
Yeah, pop your balloon. Pop your balloon, bro. Pop your balloon. Yeah. But she cool still. Yeah, cool.
All right,
You
so
make music, right?
Yeah, I'm an artist.
Yeah, I like
recording
your
artist.
style. Yeah.
Thank you.
Swag, you know?
I'm a hostess as well.
all right, so I have to ask, like, why you held on to your balloon?
All right, to be honest, simplicity we use to survive. I love his simplicity. I love how he's intelligent and express himself. I noticed also that he said he's into trading, and I know that trading has a bright future, so I definitely want to just tell him keep pushing, learn as much of the rise and fall and all the, because you have a bright future ahead of you. And I like the fact that you say modern chopper, you sound confident. I do reggae, dancehall, multi-genre. So yeah, I will support you. Definitely vibes book.
So basically, you have your balloon because you want him share the same
Energy.
See what I got.
Yeah.
See what I got.
All right, so wait. All right, I have to ask you. My G, why you pop her balloon?
Yeah, man, tell her, man. She youth.
Oh, because she have a child?
Yeah. You know what I'm saying? And me not too ready for take on that the road.
And that is
You see what I'm saying, bro?
okay. Yeah.
Oh, because she have a child and ready for be a stepfather.
Well,
basically that, you know.
But all I can say is my child has a father already. You would just basically just be connecting with me, but basically I respect your decision, and I wish you all the best with your career. And we definitely would want to keep the connect. Make sure you follow me.
Yeah.
And Instagram, yeah, man.
Yeah,
I'm
you
the
can.
vibes bug.
All right, my G, how much did I rate her from 1 to 10?
Yeah, she deserve. She deserve a 8.5.
8.5?
Yeah.
Is she a type though?
Not really, but she cool. Personality, cool.
Love her personality.
Yeah, the energy, right. You see me?
Yeah.
Right.
What do you think about his appearance? How much did I rate it?
I just say I love how simple he looks, dedicated and clean. The shoes. He played it a little safe. I would want a little more pop of color. But as far as confidence, nice teeth, look groomed, I would give him 8.2.
Oh, 8.2?
Yeah.
All right, there wasn't that much today. What could you get someone now? My G, can't manage the kids.
You see how much you really?
Okay, yeah, focus.
Money.
Oh, money affair. Yeah.
No, you can't take up for your can't manage it.
No, you know. Wasn't that much to the my G? Walk with grace, woman, please.
Big up.
Alright, watch you now. I miss you so much. And for those who always are hug my back, thank you so much. I needed those hugs, okay? Can I get a next hug, please? Okay. Okay. Thank you for that. You see it? Love that. Alright, females. You ready? Yeah! Alright then. Jesus, that has stressed me out. Alright. Let's go. Bring in the next male for me now. And wait until him reach right yourself, please. Come to this side, Maji. Come to this side. Blessing G. Introduce yourself.
Good night, ladies. Good night. Can I get a better good night?
Good night.
Yeah, man. Make me feel good. Make me feel nice. Make me feel You eat whitey, baby? How you eat snow?
All right, introduce yourself. What's your name?
I'm Chef Joe. CHEFF _ Joe. TikTok, Instagram.
All right. What type of work do you do? Come over more.
Chef, Mr. Rolling.
Oh, chef.
Where you feel a balloon a bus set?
Oh, true, you say.
Where you feel a balloon a
think
bus
your
set?
name Chef Joe.
No, man.
Oh.
Where you feel a balloon a bus set, Rolling?
Cause you want chef?
Exactly. Every woman loves chef. Right, ladies? Rolling, me frightened, you know. Me know why them boss. Continue.
What's your type though, my G?
My type, I like a female. She don't have to eat a lot. Because anything she want to eat, I prepare it for her.
Okay.
Yeah.
But you have to prepare in a small portion.
If she want a small portion, that's the reason why she take a man with a chef.
Okay. All right then. True, you say you don't want she eat a lot.
If she eat a lot,
Yeah.
I cook a lot.
Okay.
All right.
All right, I understand. And when it comes down to like a red flag, what's a red flag for you?
Well, you see when she says she want shoe peas, or curry goat,
Yeah.
I'ma cook it,
Yeah.
and she not eat half, me feel like me not cook it nice as a top chef.
Oh, so you want she just clean the plate?
You know how I go on, you know.
And
You
the
know-
pot?
No, me I share it for you.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, leave it there. All
Me I
right.
share it for you.
What's an ideal first date for you for bring a female?
You know, say, me have to think about the best place.
Yeah.
Just in case she have her passport and her visa, me have to carry her Port Royal. So when we don't eat,
Yeah.
she say, baby, board the plane, no, man. We gone somewhere really.
After Port Royal?
After Port Royal. So when we could have take the lady for?
Okay.
She don't want to go out, you know.
She don't got foreign.
Oh, she maybe afraid of height. Me can't do nothing about that.
Okay,
Really.
understand. All right then. All right, so got some pops. We're gonna find out why them pop the balloon. All right.
All right.
Start with that side there.
Really, you have to ask me which side we start with. You can't just, me know watch the show and see what
All
I
right,
want.
which side you want to start with?
I want to start with my color.
All right.
She nice, man. She want back a balloon, baby. Take back a balloon.
You're
Really, you don't have to get back a balloon. Me I get a balloon myself. Me carry a balloon to myself. You want a white one like it?
No, I don't want a balloon.
She don't want a balloon.
Your name, why you pop your balloon?
My name is Melanin. I pop my balloon because it's like my try to falls up. Like, when be like, if we are poor, like eat fish, then we can go board a plane. And no. I don't want a dream sell to me. Like, him sound like, you know, like he might try to sell you something for you in a paper balloon. You know, I'm just go with the flow for listening him out. And then when him come with a part about after we left poor air, we can fly out, it just strike me wrong. Like, him would have sell my beer dreams. Yeah.
Oh, so you feel like him a just a promiser?
Yeah, I'm not really depend that. Because remember, I don't know him as a person. I'm not really depend that right now.
Oh, but suppose you don't know if you mean it though.
Well, I don't know. I'm still not take back my balloon.
All right, then how much did I rate him from 1 to 10 though?
Nothing is wrong with him, so he can get a 9.
9 out of 10?
Yeah.
All right, what you like about him or you give him a 9?
He looks very nice. He put himself together. Only reason why I'm give him a 9 because I really don't like him shoes.
Him shoes?
Yeah, I don't like it. It's a Naruto vibe. Yeah.
Naruto?
Yeah, you know, watch Naruto and Avatar, them kind of shoes that them have on over them tights and them shinging and them thing there, you know.
Oh, so that shoes are coming on Naruto?
Yeah, yeah. Mm-hmm.
You probably buy it from Naruto site.
Really, she nice, you know.
She nice?
Yeah. I mean, I tell you, me not really come on the show for criticize female. I realize you watch a lot of cartoon. That would be good for me. Because you remind me, a Dragon Ball Z, you change us in a Super Saiyan, the ear color change.
The ear?
Change, like you gone to Super Saiyan
Whoa.
5. Shh, you just say, you see me, I say, you're shocking, I like your color.
So she remind you of who?
Dragon Ball Z, like Android 16 was a female.
Yeah, I'm a favorite.
Me tell you, so me you can watch, I have TV and internet and cable.
Dragon Ball Z with the
change out, you see her ear color rollish, and I really hear that.
No, I'm more like the purple lizard. You don't know him.
No, me can't put in a lizards, baby.
No,
Me not put
not in a bad way. She's pretty, like,
Okay.
yeah. Mm-hmm.
All right, so is she a type though?
Yeah, man, you see her color nice, really. Me and her have same kind of legs. Me like her shoes, black shoes. Me and her come out. So I never wear my black pants and purple top. Hey, me that pass here. Husband, me I tell you, nice.
She
really.
say she not like your shoes though.
No, because why? She not gonna like the shoes. You see the key on it? Or the key for her heart in her rolling. I pull me come for pull her heart in a rollie. Where you feel she come for search love. I pull me come for pull her heart. She nice. Stand up off for your one, baby. You remind me of lean on me when you're not strong, baby. May I tell you, you're nice. She's,
How much you rate her from 1 to 10?
may I give her a 9 to rollie.
9.
Yeah, 9. She come out. She shape nice. She polite. Smile again, let me see her teeth. Well, she nice, and she pop my balloon because she think a dream.
Okay.
But a chef and a man at work can do anything possible for him, lady. So never think it's a dream where a man say. Because you have men out there not saying nothing.
All right. Me think about it next time.
All right.
Yeah, man. So,
Come down to this side. Your name? Why you pop your balloon?
Sheen on TikTok, Jaja's mom. Alright, so why I pop my balloon is 1, you're not my type. We kind of look like we're on the same height. You know, look away. I like my men taller than me. Yeah, become a feisty, make it tough chat. So,
You like him taller than you because you're feisty?
and make it tough chat.
What that, no, add up.
It add up. Don't worry yourself.
Okay.
But anyways, yes. One, your pants kind of look tight, like it has suffocate you.
no, man, yes, these are jeans, this man. Me not taking pants, no, baby.
Oh, it just
So
look
any-
like it has suffocate.
No, because any clothes I put on, it just adapt to my body.
Okay.
Oh, like a elastic.
Yeah, she say me a Naruto, so me have to have superpower. The last female say me a Naruto, me have to have superpower, baby. So anything me go in and me make it look. You understand what I mean? Yeah, fit. So if you want me get tall, all you have to say Naruto get tall. You know, listen what she say. Get tall. Me gone up there for you. Tough chat. Me not beat you up because you know we not really abuse woman.
Okay.
Me never say if you beat me, I'm sorry. You
You say
crazy?
tough chat, come with beat up.
No, not for me. I am sorry.
Okay.
Anyways, yeah.
How much you rate him from 1 to 10 though?
The shoes look like you had the boxing.
The boxing shoes?
Yeah, like you had the boxing.
Boxing shoes?
I said, look, like him the boxing.
No, Naruto shoes.
No, it looked like him the boxing.
A magic. No, man. No way. Anything she say, really work with it. Yeah.
Alright.
The power in her shoes, you know.
And is he a type though?
Nope.
What do you think about her based on her appearance?
Yeah, man. She look alright so far. Me not really criticize female on her all. If me is not her type, I'm just not her type.
Okay.
You understand?
Love that.
And she say, boxing shoes. You would want a Mike Tyson for your husband. Because I beat up everybody. And I get the big belt with the gold and enough money. What you mean?
I kind of have one on one part, on one corner.
Sure, go on, roll here. Can't go down.
Yeah, so how much you rate her?
Would I get her 6.5?
6.5.
Yeah, because two men, she and my type, she say.
Okay.
She can't go get the 9 in me, have you see me?
Oh, so you are not her type, so you say automatically.
Yeah, she
You
said
like who like you.
Yeah. So she now get the 9. So maybe her next time she get me 9 in me have.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
Alright, come to this side. Your name, why you pop your balloon?
Drizzy Boo, I'm a chef, so I know your work, and I can tell you 95% of the time we don't have time. So, for me, as a romantic female, I like to know that my man come in from work and I can surprise. You're not that type, and you're not my type, but you're cool though. Energy match. We can definitely cook some food. Big up yourself.
Cook some food together.
Yeah.
So when I go around and say, what a better chef?
No, we're not upon that. No criticism.
Okay.
Sure, right, Yoli. First of all, I'm not just a chef. I'm the chef and the CEO of my own restaurant. So me together, we maybe need a machine to count money. Sometimes you have to find your match. Find your match. Chef, where you cook? Question me, so I give you back an answer. Okay?
Understand.
Yeah, I understand. But so far, you're nice. You understand? Chef and chef, that's a chemistry, baby. That's a chemistry. Sometimes female tend to find person that don't match them energy.
That's true.
And it not work and him a this and him a that. Every male have a purpose. And if it you look good, Granny, Every tick of them who are bush.
I don't know that one.
You don't know that one, really?
Okay.
I got it. Every tick, like say, she has say, me and I type, but you never can tell if you don't try.
Okay.
Take chances.
But she said basically you are a chef and you're not gonna have time for her.
But really, if me not have time for her, all me do, me just send her to the market, go buy the things. She buy a scallion with the time. Simple. Just buy a scallion with the time, baby, and we season with spice up.
Alright. How much did I rate him from 1 to 10?
Me, I give him 9 still. He's a nice guy.
Really, she knows something about me, you know?
But is he your type though?
No, he's not my type, but he's okay.
Why are you not?
Because me like man them over me and romantic. But
Oh, so you not seem romantic.
no, me not say him not seem romantic, but I know my type when I see my type.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, but I can make her my type in a rolling. I can make her my type. If she don't want to sleep on the bed, you know the double bed? I just sleep at the top, so I'm always over her.
Oh, okay, okay. Alright, my G. Good?
Good.
Alright, come on to this side. Your name, why you pop your balloon?
TK Million 10 on TikTok and Instagram. Why am I pop the balloon? Him is a confused man. 2 away over here, so about balloon him, you know, and him a force the girl for day with him. In a life, never force a woman for day with her because when you out on the eye, you not go want come kill you.
Oh, 80. Oh.
Yeah, and him
What you
don't
mean?
for too long. Yeah. And I take out other balloon and with the over here, so whip on him.
Oh. Oh, so I say him should have more balloon, forgive.
Yes.
You have all the...
We over here, so I wait, and she done prepare balloon already. Yeah. And it's like he want to force her. Mm-hmm.
Alright, what do you think about him based on him appearance?
Yeah, I give him a 6. And I like him again.
6 out of 10?
Yeah.
She right, man. Make sure stay the 6. Me know if you turn the 6 and a 9. You see me turn her back way, the 6 turn 9 in a roll, you see me? So me love her, see me. Look how she got blush. Me turn her back with the 6 turn 9. So me automatically I go get a 9 from her when me turn her around. Turn
And
on,
me
give me
I go turn around
Alright,
and she
sorry,
over
baby.
there, so.
Alright, she me a 10.
One.
Alright. Is he your type though?
No, not again.
Okay. My G.
Boy, rolling me salty, man. No, she alright so far. What she say? Sometime, me not force her, but sometimes you have to spend a little time to know what you want.
Okay.
You don't rush into nothing.
Okay.
You understand?
Yep.
You don't rush into nothing. You have to spend a little time to know what you want.
So she gotta get to know you.
Exactly.
Okay.
So me not jump in and nothing and I jump a jack something. You see me? I say jump in and jump out. As a chef, if you jump out a pot, me I tell you, I fire you drop in.
If a man say no want me, gone about my business, gone to our next one.
But man,
stay like that.
But man, short still, you know.
Could have shot some more when I look at our next one.
How much did I rate her from 1 to 10?
Shut 9 me, I mean 9 me a give her, you know, really. How you see her there? I mean 9 me a give her.
Oh, and she give you 6.
Yeah. But I'm a 69 something, you know. And a 69 something. I then make the number, we born come see it.
Okay, yeah.
So if she give me a 6, a code.
Yeah.
So me get. Yeah, she know.
Yeah.
Alright, a code. A code. No, man, me not say, man, a code, man. A code, man. She maybe not want to give me a 360, but me I tell you, a code.
Alright, then, cool. Alright, so females without a balloon, walk with Grace Muna, please. Alright, my G. So, we have a female right here with her balloon. What's your name?
What a tam tam.
Alright, so what I want you to do, you're gonna ask her a question. She's gonna ask you a question also to get to know you, alright? We're gonna start with her though, okay?
Yeah, ladies before Jen come in.
What's
I want to just tell you my socials is HATATAM, and that's on all platforms.
What's his question?
Yeah, go ahead.
No,
Well,
you're gonna
my
answer.
question. Okay, so I see that you're a smooth talker and you have vibes. I kind of have an idea what a chef brings to the table. And with my type of personality, I would love to partner with you and probably host some events and have you cater and so. Because we need more of those type of men. And you give me that good vibe. So that's why I didn't pop my balloon.
Alright, well, what's his question? Like, you need to get to know him. What type of question you want to ask him to get to know him?
Are you the type of person to, like on a first date, would you be like hand holding? Are you like PDA type?
Not really. Be specific for me.
PDA mean like personal display affection, like put it out there, like we hold hands. Are you that type of person? Hand holding and such.
First
Mhm.
of all, it all depends on your vibes.
Right.
The vibe that you get back from the female. So sometimes you meet a female, you just feel marriedish, really. So you know, if you feel marriedish, how old on? You understand what I mean? Yeah. As I said from before, the vibes of the female, that's what make the male take her to places.
True.
If she like water, I take her to Elsha. If she like to eat food, I take her to Port Royal. It all depends on the type and the feelings that you get from the female.
Yeah, and definitely the vibe I get from you is that you're very spontaneous because you say Port Royal and then you even fly her out and you know it sounds like a dream, but sometimes some things that are too good to be true might actually be true. So I hold on to the balloon.
Yeah?
Yeah.
All right, you're gonna ask her a question now, Maji.
Yeah. Basically, I like your smile.
Give thanks.
Give thanks to the Most High. And I see that you are an empress. And as a chef, in the field, I see that I can prepare meals that fit your criteria. All right? And so far, you hold on your balloon have to give thanks. Many of them pops.
Yeah, but you're gonna ask her a question now to get to know her.
To get to know her. Yeah. You have any kids?
One.
You live by yourself?
Yes, I do.
Is there any space for me?
Right now, I'm thinking that I could probably push something to the side.
Yeah, but sometimes a man says space. I have the key to your heart, you know, so I was just asking about your heart. If there's any space in your heart for me?
Well, to be honest, my career is taking up a lot. And I wouldn't be able to give you all the space, but I would be willing to like go on a few dates to see where it could go, and then I could decide, you know, because everything is about flow. And also, I love that you wear like this nice fragrance. I can smell it from over here, and I have a wonderful perfume too called Eternally Conscious. I know that you'd definitely buy some too. So you know, as an entrepreneur, you kind of inspire me to create more fragrances.
Also, would that inspire you? Would that be your inspiration?
Yes, he would be my inspiration.
All right. Any more question you want to ask him though?
What is the favorite memory that you have of your mom?
That she's 70 years old and still living. That's the favorite ism I have. She's so a strong lady, just as you. When I see her, I see a mom in here. That's the reason why I ask if you have any kids.
Oh, thank you.
Oh, you see a strong black woman.
Exactly. So, you know, relationship go long, really. When you see them strong empress, eat good. Eat good, steam fish and doctor, food, not chef. You only have food me I talk about it.
No, me just
food me I talk about it. A food me I talk about.
Yeah, man, the vibes book definitely. I appreciate the warmth, and you know, for me, it means a lot to me when a man connects to his mom. And I can see a while ago when you mentioned her, I could see the love in your eyes, because my mommy always tell me if a man don't connect with his mother, he's going to have a hard time connecting with a female.
That's true.
Yeah.
That's true. Any more question for him though?
No, him look good, him smell good, him show up, him have for vibes, him vibes book. And yeah, I definitely I'd see myself going on a date with Chef Joe.
Chef Joe.
All right. So what a tam said the vibes book.
All right. Any more question for her?
I think me have no more question. I just look right on her clothes in her roll.
Yes.
What a tam
Yeah.
Joe. My name I forgot go up on her clothes soon. You know. I custom that and sell clothes. Really.
Oh,
yeah, you understand?
Yeah.
So if the name I sell, food I sell, music I sell,
everything.
I don't think we have no more question with that.
No,
but what I'm saying that I have one more question.
All right.
What I want to ask, do you are a tough person at times?
I'm a bit militant, yeah, because being that I grew up with military parents actually. So yeah, I'm tough, but at the end of the day, I'm also in my soft life era. I would be open to dating still. And you give me good vibes. You just give a good vibe. Probably the jokes you gave on set, you smell good,
everything.
you're confident.
Yeah.
And
I have a next question for her.
One more question?
Yeah,
One
just
last-
one last,
last
question.
question.
Connect to me. One last question.
Yes.
As an empress, I don't want you consume meat.
Right now, cutting off from that.
And you, all right,
Cutting off.
from
Cutting
that.
off.
Oh, really? Can me have something for you now?
Yeah?
In my bag, man. Me have it for you.
Meat?
Me no meat. Me have something for you. Me have something for you.
Okay.
But me no want to expose it.
Yeah.
And then my balloon go burst. That's
Okay.
usually my ask.
Okay. True.
Yeah, because
See, hey, you know what?
no, you know I got bust a balloon, man. She nice already, man. I'm like this because just in case, Rolly tell me roll it grace. Me dey travel with the Eve, but me not carry her with me again. You see me? Me leave her. You see me? Me leave her, Rolly.
That's funny.
Watch her smile, Rolly. No more question.
All right. Me gonna ask my final question.
Yeah.
Is this that much for you?
Ladies before gentlemen.
Cool. Is this how much for you?
Yes, it is.
It's how much for you?
Yes, it is.
It's how much?
Yes, it is.
All right. Is it how much for you?
Sure.
It's how much for you?
Yes.
It's how much for you?
It's a match. Matches a burn up.
So we have a match?
Yeah.
So we have a match! Yeah! All right. Yo! Bro! Oh gosh. I feel proud. Like boss, we did it. We did it, bro. Make sure leave a like. Alright, make sure to leave a like and subscribe below. Remember, we're close to 300,000 subscribers, okay? Just leave a like. Come on, man. No, say you always and say, Rolly, where's the video? And you don't like. Yo, you upset me sometimes. You know? That's why you want to hug me. Don't friend me and hug me, eh? Please leave a like and subscribe, okay? Okay, family? You want the next hug? Come on. All right, the next time. All right? Please, hold it. All right, females, you ready? You ready? No, man, they're not ready. Serious, you ready? Right, let's go. Bring in the next meal for me now. All right, just look forward. Look forward. Wait until they reach right here, sir. Yeah? Right here, sir. Come to this side. Come to this side. Right, sister. Right. Introduce yourself.
Dada, too cool.
Oh, I'm not here.
Dada, too cool.
Okay. What type of work do you do, Dada?
Well, self-employed. I'm the call center too.
All right.
But not currently right now, but yeah.
Which one of them you're not currently?
Call center.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right then. And when it comes down to a girl though, what's your type though?
Bro, I'm like Simmons. You see me? And personality wise,
Yeah.
Shafi, what that's caring,
Yeah.
hardworking.
Yeah.
You see me? And basically, let's see what else.
That's it?
And can cook basically, yeah.
And what's a red flag when it comes down to a female?
Red flag?
Yeah.
All right, a red flag.
Yeah.
What I define it, you know? In my way, right? You say right?
Yeah. What's a red flag for you when it comes down to a female?
All right, so so for example, so we are go on like a first date, right?
Yeah.
And she are like me say, me go bring her go a restaurant, like me a test her, you see me?
Yeah.
And she like say yo, debate say yo, she want go. Like she a debate to me basically. Say I make up like say me go bring her go a restaurant like test her. You see me?
Yeah.
And she say yo, no, she want go to a particular restaurant there. So she look like a gold digger. You know what I mean?
Oh, so you're not like a girl with tell you which restaurant.
Yeah, you see me, but me go bring her go a good restaurant thing. Don't get me wrong, but yeah, she give me a gold digger vibe. So you know what I mean?
All right then. All right, so shout out to social.
All right. So that are too cool funny. IG, you see me? YouTube, you don't know, say that are too cool, see me? You see me? Yeah. I'm on TikTok too, you know me? That are too cool.
All right, come over that side, MG. All right, so we got some pops. We got some pops. We're gonna find out why them pop the ballon, all right?
Yeah, man.
We'll start with right here, all right?
Ah.
Your name, why you pop your balloon?
TK million 10 on TikTok and on IG. Just not my type. I don't like nothing about him.
Huh?
I don't like nothing about him. Not my type.
What do you think about him appearance? So how much should I rate it from 1 to 10?
But I give him a 9 still, but just I like dark skin, thick body man. And
Dark skin.
yeah.
Oh, because I'm skin color, 1. And then
Yeah,
body
one,
structure.
Yes, and they out here and
So you say, my ear make you pop a balloon? My ear?
no. And the tattoo up just not my type.
Oh, you don't like tattoo?
No.
Oh.
Alright. And you say you'd rate him a 9.
Yeah, 9.
What do you think about her, basically, her
Well,
appearance?
She calm, but alright. I like the slippers. You see me? But I mean, she could have wear better slippers. You see it, but you know. I think it's so like calm, is but the slippers, not the slippers. You see me? She could have do better with the slippers wise, but yeah, yeah, basically that.
How much should I rate her from 1 to 10?
I give her one 5.
5 out of 10?
Yeah, I'm not give her a 5.
Is she a type though?
No, she's not. Definitely not.
Good?
Not a problem.
Okay, good.
Yeah.
Alright, let's go down the line. Your name, why you pop your balloon?
Drizzy Boo. I pop my balloon because you give me a Joker and an Ivy vibe. I'm not like that at all.
Oh?
Joker and Ivy.
What Ivy mean?
They power couple things.
What Ivy
We
mean?
have
What
the
Ivy
two
mean?
color looking ear. Yeah, but
What you do?
you're a nice guy.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, your style I just what throw me off, and the pants down at your bottom. It's a
Yeah.
madam like my son pants they up here, so
Mhm.
you understand Panama waist. But you're a cool guy though.
Yeah, but yeah, thanks to that. But you know, what Ivy mean? They say Ivy.
Ivy is a female.
This one. Oh, so you say me look like a female?
No, I'm saying that the female has the same two-sided color ear. That's what I'm saying.
So you know no rapper on them thing there.
No, I'm not really follow up them thing
You know
there.
watch YouTube and TikTok. You ain't on them thing there.
Yeah, I'm depend them thing there, but as I said, I don't
Yeah.
follow up certain things.
And you give him a 5 out of 10?
No. Never said that. 7.
Oh, 7 out of 10. My bad. Alright, so what do you think about her based on her appearance?
Well, slippers can go on. You see me, but me like the dress. You see it? Because it a show her body, you see me? But yeah, the
But
slippers.
is a dress, so it will show her body.
No, yes, me I talk. This the look will tie up. You see me I say? Yeah. But the slippers calm. You see me and me like the chain. You seem like a what I say? Family woman. You see me like she. You know what I mean?
Family.
Yeah. Like she have a family. You know what I mean? Yeah.
She just said she have a.
Meaning a son, but she
And a
must have a
daughter.
she
Yeah.
must have the family consists of a mother and a father plus the you get me I say so if the father not play a role in our life. You get me I say?
Okay.
So yeah. That's not a complete family. You get me I say? So yeah.
Understand?
Understand.
Good?
Yeah.
I'm on this side. Your name? Why you pop your balloon?
Chin on TikTok is Jaja's mom. Why I pop my balloon? 1, your pants down on your bottom. I have a 3-year-old, which is my rock star.
Mm-hmm.
And if you're going to be with me, my son has to idolize you.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I'm not going to walk around with your pants on your bottom, and then must son reach a certain age in pants on your bottom. Yeah, me kick him in the bottom for that.
So what you know?
That's one. Hold on, that's one. 2, yeah, the tattoo can go on. I love niggas with tattoos. The hair, that's kind of me.
Mm-hmm.
I like the 2-color hair thing. What else? Other than that, you're good. It's just the pants I'm issue.
The pants.
Yeah. Just the pants I'm issue. Everything else, you're alright. If you can just Okay. You should just chop it. Go more.
Nah, man, it can't go
You can't
no
go
more.
more. Okay. Then by pants you can go up on your waist.
No, it can go, but me not bring it up. You want to bring it up where, sir?
No, you know.
You there? I'm away, sir. Some way, sir.
Okay, never mind.
No,
but
me
everything
ask-
is alright.
Alright. So I'm gonna ask you something, right? So who takes someone that wear pants in front, right? You say you have a son?
Yes.
Who takes someone that wear pants in front of your son, like don't
Well,
like that way?
all right. So my mom always tell me first impression last.
Mhm.
So your first impression, which is this for me, that's the impression that to me you're going to give to my son, and I don't want that.
Oh.
Yeah.
Well, I understand. Not bad.
Good?
That's good, yeah.
How much should I rate her from
How
1
much
to
should I
10?
rate her? Well, I give once shall I watch her face? I give her 1 6.
6 out of 10?
Yeah, 1 6.
Why 6?
I give her 1 5. Why 5?
Make up your mind.
Yeah, but I give her 5. Alright, so you ask me why the 5.
Bro, you know, if you
She
think
could
you
have given her
know.
1 silver. Alright, she could have me I think what she could have wear if you bring off it if it fit more better. The clothes, you get me I say?
Oh, just our fit.
Yeah. You see me? Yeah.
Oh, so you get the 5 best color and our fit.
Our fit. You see me? So you could have beat one. That's the 1 silver. You could have even wear 1 silver slippers to beat off with it with that we have with that.
First of all, silver would not go well with gold.
No,
You don't
it
mix
have a look.
silver
You
and-
not get what me I say. No? It depends on the type of silver slippers.
It no matter. You don't wear silver with gold, no matter what.
You still not. You know what you understand what me I say?
It don't really matter.
Bro, me I say, it depends on the type of slippers, type of silver. You have different type of silver. Isn't it? But yeah, but I give a 5, definitely a 5.
Okay.
Yeah.
Come down to the side. Before I move on, why you kept your balloon all along?
Alright, so Melanin here. I keep my balloon because I wanted to ask him a question on his speech that he said if one girl want go on other restaurant but in one carry other restaurant, that means that she a gold digger. Really, that never made no sense to me. So I really just wanted him to clarify that because that's just a debate between two persons. It doesn't have anything to do with gold diggers as it done did a carry out already.
Yeah.
And then I was wanting to see what he was like, but because it has nothing to do with his pants down or whatever like that, because I have a son as well. And it's how you grow up a son. And you understand like that, and you're not gonna scare anybody when your son, yes, but I don't think your son is just gonna see someone doing that and doing that if you're the mom who brought him a certain way.
Exactly.
Yeah, but then you're too argumentative with the girls, them. You just turn me off. That's some
No,
problem
but
balloon,
you
you
know,
know?
me have to-
Because like me that try get a chance and
Yeah,
someone
yeah.
want to come ask you that question there, and if you clarify it properly, me that say, all right then much. But it not go on right now.
But you know, you say alright. You said about the date thing, right? Alright, you never ask me first. You never say, oh, alright. First thing you should have said, what if me just know the girl? Remember, you know, we can know her the same day. They get me saying because like feel like the love and them thing they say you decide to bring her up on a date. You get me say most me know say like most man would do it, you know, but you know you have like a few that do it. They get me say
Right.
because they want to get to know the girl first. They get me say so me say yo, you
But
could
question, did she ask you to bring her to the restaurant or you want to bring her to the restaurant?
me want to bring her to the restaurant, but she want debate where she want to go. Understand what I say now?
Alright, because she wants you to bring her somewhere that she likes, that she's gonna enjoy, that she can be comfortable with
Yeah,
you,
but-
and you want to bring her somewhere that she doesn't want to go.
No,
but remember, you are the one who wants to carry her out. She never come to you and say, "I want to go eat some food now."
No, but
So
what
that's when me that says she's a gold digger. But
So
are
yeah,
you insinuating?
but you know me I say you think somebody bring her go and go to the restaurant?
No, but what if she don't like that?
That type of restaurant.
Right.
Yeah, but how should alright. The thing about you, me try to say, right? The first thing Moody bring her go to restaurant, she not go like. Well, me not go like much less. So basically, the restaurant to me, they bring her go to the offer like it.
Yeah,
You see me?
contradict yourself because how would you know that she doesn't like it and it's the first time bringing her out?
All right. I ask you a question, right? So say you was a man, right? And you see I bring a girl up on a date, and she want choose like she want you know her like you even know her for like a full day. They get me I say, and she want choose things like she want to say yo. I don't want to go to a restaurant, them not like the restaurant, them too cheap. I want to go on a 5-star restaurant. Like,
Probably she went there before and she never had a good experience. So she want to go one different place.
your own, you know, say, I gotta say that. You see me? As a man, our mindset different.
So you say if she was a man and you are the woman, wait.
No, me not. Me I say like, me not gonna be the woman. No. You get me? I say, but me I talking now. Say she.
Oh, like give her like a. Oh, but that me the thing him say.
You see me? Yeah.
Oh, me think him ask you like, suppose you are the man and him are the woman, where you that bring him. That me the think him say.
But me I say, if you say, look a girl out there, you get me? Say, the man. You get me? I say, and you say you bring her up on a date. Cause you like her, like you feel the love and thing. You see me? And she debate say, oh, she don't want to go to a restaurant, she want to go to a 5-star restaurant, like she don't get restaurant. What would be your reaction?
I would have bring her somewhere else to have game too, you know.
No,
I like all of them.
Yeah, bring her somewhere where she want to go like.
I like all of them. I have game. So me that just be a man about it. Well, in a female body.
You would have bring her in about how you
if you get what me I try to say to you right now.
You have game?
Yeah.
No, what I know. Actually, no. I ain't problem for bring her in about how you feel after. How you feel you do it.
I wouldn't feel anyway because, as you said, you're the one who's inviting her out. She dislikes a place and you want to have the female feeling comfortable, getting to know each other. So you will go with her option, not your option.
No, but me I say like that I feel like she, you know, like she no fear debate to me.
And this is the thing with you. It's not her debating with you, it's you debating with her.
No, she a debate to me. She no fear
No,
debate
baby. Because you're giving me all of that right now.
Bro, she no fear
and I tell you, at that moment, popping balloon, you look debate too much. Can't deal with that.
Oh, so you not like the debate?
Him for be a man, when we start lob off my mouth, him just say, yo, and then the argument done. Him just want carry on with me, and I go carry on back with him too. Yeah, man.
Okay.
We like the vibes, man. So we have to debate, you see me?
You like the debate thing?
Yeah, man, we like the vibes, man.
And
so
I
we have to
don't
debate.
like that.
Alright, so what do you think about his appearance?
Alright, he looks very nice. I can definitely give him a 10. I don't have seen any problem with him. As I say, at the style that right now, everybody I just the image.
These are the image.
Yeah, the image right now. So I really not have nothing bad to say about him, but you need to stop that debating thing there. You're gonna lose whole heap of female.
Alright, my question, is he your type though?
No, him's not my type, but like the energy when him coming with, like him aura. Yeah. And like you want to give that chance. Yeah, but him just why you do that? Why
him do what?
Why him do that? Why am I fear debate? Like, no. I don't want a father.
No, man. You see, I just the vibes, man. Believe.
But you lose still.
I know I'm all pre.
Him lose?
Yeah, him lose.
Okay.
No, man, I lose. Me a winner. Believe.
How much should I rate her from 1 to 10, G?
Well, I give her 7. She can get 1-7.
7 out of 10?
Yeah. I like her ear. Is me? Yeah.
Yeah.
You died?
No, about
you
it
look
the
good. Fit
same.
you. Is me? I like her complexion.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Alright. Come to this side, G. Whoa. Whoa, I think somebody else have up. Wasn't that much to them, G? Everybody pop them balloon. No, you have to do?
Walk with grace.
Walk with grace, G. Come on, we ain't mean him a di- Come on. Make sure you leave a like. Alright, watch you now. I really need a hug. I want a hug, okay? I promise you, okay? I will not ask your feet. Thank you so much for being there for me. Is it? Alright, so people, it's the end of the video, okay? Make sure to leave a like and subscribe below. I really want to say I appreciate you for coming out. Because you come out, of course. Which my head now? You're there by your bed. You're there at work. Big up the people them who have a salon and make the video play straight. I love you, okay? Appreciate it. Remember, Portland, we say we are going back at Linstead, Ochi, Kingston, St. Thomas. No, St. Thomas. What must you say, St. Thomas? What do me? We not go. You see it? We want to say Spanish Town. Once you get a location, and remember, England. You see it? On Little Birdie say, I'm not even say 40. You see it? Big up on yourself. Love and love alone. Got it like all the time. Chips. Alright, so females, I'm going to bring in the last male. Ready? Are you ready? Alright then. Look forward. Come to this side. Alright, sir. Introduce yourself.
So My name, my Jama, is me. I'm 19, is it?
Alright, what type of work do you do?
I'm a mechanic.
Mechanic?
Truck, yeah.
Oh, you're a mechanic for a truck.
Yeah, I do truck mechanic, yeah, I rope and truck and them thing, is it?
Alright, that's good. And what's your type though?
I don't really have a type still, is it? I just work with the flow. As me I say, I don't really have a type still.
You work with the flow.
With the flow, is it? Yeah.
Alright, so what's like a red flag when it comes down to a female?
What would I say now?
Yeah, what you say a red flag be?
I don't really, wait, certain things.
You're not like, what you not like when it comes to, yeah, about a female. Like you say, yo, it's a red flag. A no for you. When a girl do that, you say, no, I'm not like a girl who do that.
Yo, let's keep past that, you know.
Okay, alright then. Alright, what's a perfect first date for bring a girl? What you like for bring a girl on a first date?
I'm gonna go one nice restaurant, you see me, take her out, buy her food and so.
Yeah.
You see me?
Mm-hmm.
You know, care home, you see me? You don't know, say, if you bring her yard, you see me, a service, you see me? Yeah.
Oh, so you bring her out on the first date and then you bring her home? Okay. So you have to bring her home, bro?
No, I'm not have to bring her home. I'm not have to bring her home, you know, but yeah.
But that's a service thing. You say you have a service her?
No, I don't mean that type of way. Then.
Okay. Okay. They catch you a mechanic. Okay, I understand. Alright then. Shout out to social.
I don't know, say I want joke beauty on Instagram, you see me?
Alright, my G, we got some pops. We're gonna find out why them pop the balloon, right? Yeah. Alright, I'll start with right here. Come, right here, sir. Your name? Why you pop your balloon?
TK million 10 on TikTok, TK million 10 on Instagram. Why I pop the balloon? Him too young. Him don't know what him want. Him confused. Just not go work, not my type.
Okay. So you say him not sound like him know him, huh?
No. And him too young.
Alright. And based on him appearance, how much should I rate him from 1 to 10?
4.
4 out of 10?
Yeah.
Why 4?
It's not my type. I don't go out with him either.
Alright. My G, based on her appearance, what do you think about her?
Nothing wrong with her still. She does look a bit old. Yeah.
Or based on her appearance?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm old for you because I'm a big woman. Yeah, look a boy.
Okay.
Side.
How much should I rate her from 1 to 10?
Nah, be wise thing. I give her 5 out of 10. It's a still there.
5 out of 10? Is she a type though?
No, not really. No.
Yeah?
But I have no problem with that.
Let's go down here. Right here, sir. Your name, why you pop your balloon?
Chin and TikTok Jaja's mom. Why am I pop my balloon? 1, you're a baby. Breast milk stood up on your mouth.
What up on your mouth?
Breast milk. That's 1. 2, you don't know what turn it off with one female. That's crazy. You never know what turn it off with a female, love. Our nose too big, our bottom too small. What turn it off? Like, you have to give me something for work with.
We him not like.
Yeah. And then you gotta say, the first date you gotta carry her home, go service her. Brother, we're not chuck. We're not the chucks. We're not the chuck, love. So, like, think about it. Well, you're young. You have more to learn in life growing up. You have a lot more to learn about females and what females like and what we don't like. So I'm not gonna bash you because you're young. So that's just the reason why I'm mostly because you're 19.
Okay.
Yeah, me I'm 25.
Nothing wrong with that.
No, yeah, baby for me. My date man older than me.
Okay. Like older?
Yes.
How much should I rate him from 1 to 10?
Him can go on. I like the color purple. I like the bag.
Thanks.
You're welcome. We can keep about a 9.
9 out of 10?
Yes. Purple is not my favorite color, but yeah, a 9.
Alright.
Thanks.
What do you think about her based on her appearance?
Well, she no look 3 words to me. She look alright and see mother girl say about that.
7 out of 10?
Yeah.
Alright, good.
Alright.
Down to this side.
Magician. Anyways, melanin here.
Why pop your balloon?
Do I look like I need to be serviced? Oh. Wait a second, I'm not hear good.
No.
Oh yeah, that's still. I'm my type, you know. But the service part, take home after date, kinda turn me off. Them think they cliche, but I can understand still. Him is a young youth. And then believe in I say, you know, well, I don't know still if I give it up on the first date. But you're running too strong, man. Just want to go service me, so you know, if you say go home, go chill and something, you just want to go service. But I really understand.
So yeah, I say the date can good and then it lead to service.
It depends, you understand? Yeah, but him just rush. He might carry me on go service.
No, man,
No,
would rush
sir.
is still in no take my time, isn't it?
No, it no matter if you take your time, you don't drop the bombshell already. So that means that you have feed me for go walk it out back and me really not up for that.
Feed it forgot.
Yeah, them style, eh? Mm-hmm.
Or put in a
Yeah. Mm-mm.
empty out.
Dry.
And how much should I rate him from 1 to 10 though?
I'm a 7.
7 out of 10?
Yeah.
Is he your type though?
No, I'm gonna give him a 7 because I like when my man well grown. Yeah.
And that's a good thing.
And that's a good thing. You see, once him well groomed, and then when I set up boom and looking at the mouth when him start talk and him mouth clean and then look on the fingernail and the fingernail him clean, him not even for be me type in those bingo. You understand?
So him not for be a type once him mouth and him fingernail clean?
Yeah, because it has to do with personality.
Okay, so that's just a physical thing for you. The mouth and the
That is it.
yeah, one dentist.
Maybe.
Okay. Alright, Maji, what do you think about her based on her appearance?
Well, no real bad still no mother girl 5 out of 10 still.
5 out of 10? Why
Yeah.
5?
She not really look like a person more than normally, isn't it? Like my like girl with my like brown skin girl, isn't it? Yeah.
You not like dark skin?
I like dark skin.
I'm so black for you. That's fine.
No, him never, me not think of that.
No, him same
No,
like
me-
brown girls.
But him not say
me
you're
not say
too
mood
dark
like
feel.
No, I'm same like brown girls. I'm not brown, really. I'm black. I'm a berry. I'm melanin, chocolate. I'm same like brown girl.
Yeah, well, oh, you put it, you know. Not like
That's me not like her, yeah.
Yeah.
You look nice.
All right then.
Yep.
You like what you like,
See, I
and
may
that
have
is
on the
it.
same color purple.
Okay then.
Okay, alright, come down to this side, Maji. Alright, your name, why you pop your balloon?
Boy, really, Drizzy Boo. You're confident, I like that. But one thing what turned me off though about you is the fact that you got to talk about service. I'm not a car. I'm not a truck. How are you gonna service me? I don't have aisle to change, so how you gonna service me? That's the only thing that turned me off. But otherwise, from that your image up there, just go and do your thing. Just not my type. Yeah.
Also, or females not have aisle.
Why, really? But when you go say you go service somebody, if you talk about a car, you know,
True.
or a Wi-Fi, you know, we need reconnection or something.
Yeah,
I'm
now
not
if you
that.
say it, so, you know, you say it on the code, isn't it?
Yeah, man. But your image up, he's a nice dude. Just go and do your thing. You're just not my type.
How much should I rate him from 1 to 10?
I give him a 9.
9 out of 10?
Okay, yeah.
What do you think about her appearance? What do you think about it?
Like, yeah, 9 out of 10.
9 out of 10, why 9?
I mean, she look nice and something. Nice and her face pretty, isn't it? Yeah.
Thanks.
Is she a type though?
Yeah, she brown skin. She have a little body. Isn't it?
She a type.
Yeah.
So, out of everybody, you'd go for she?
Well, yeah. Yeah.
And back a balloon?
Oh, really? No.
Come to this side, Maji. Alright, so it wasn't a match today, Maji. Walk with grace, yeah? Come on. Alright. So females. Alright, people. I want you to rate the lineup. A long time I ask you to rate the lineup. Me I try my best. You see it? But understand, say the man them a be too harsh. I'ma talk to them, and the female them is both sides. So I don't really want to feel like say this is a disrespectful show and thing. It's all about two people come together, know each other from different backgrounds, and sometimes I don't know how it escalate, but we gotta try our best for work it out. You see it? Remember some love, you know. Thank you for supporting me, like everybody who been asked for about my family. Everything good, you see. Thank you so much for caring. Love and love alone. Females, thank you for coming out. Got in there like all the time. Can I get a last hug? Can I get a final hug? Alright. Got in there like all the time. Thanks.
This banana chips for you. No, for you. This banana chips for you. Say I got this banana chips for you. Make your crunchy.
GCT forever and ever. We say goodbye.
Girl, them say my team of a boss. Girl, them say my team of a boss. Eh. Girl, them say my team of a boss. Roll to 200k. Get me a say, like, comment, subscribe.